In this video, we're gonna unbox this green Apple 12 mini and we're gonna compare it with my current phone, which is the Samsung S10E. They're both small, but we're gonna see the difference between them. And I also bought like a case from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you like this case. I do have an Amazon affiliate, just to be honest. If you do like my travel and life tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, okay? So we're just gonna have to do this in one take. We'll see. Okay, opening the box. So I got this from UPS. I missed yesterday's delivery. I was really sad yesterday. I went to the grocery and I just missed the delivery. But now it's here, it's alright. No, my roommate got it for me and signed for me. Thank you, roomie. We're opening it with scissors, because this is the only one I have. Okay, it's quite easy. It's not that hard. Yeah, easy to open. And this is it. This is the box right here. Slide it out. Is it easy? Oh, yeah. It's not hard. It's just slide it out right here. So it's like a sort of a cigarette case opening, as you have this tape. And then you just slide it. Ooh, nice. Alright, this is it. That's the only box you get. And yeah, my iPhone 12 mini. This is a green iPhone 12 mini. And ta-da! This is my phone. Yes, that's it. And you have this paper thing, which you have to peel off. It's not a sticker, but it's quite sticky. Then you have this, and then you have the charger. That's it. And what is this? Sticker. Yes, it's a sticker. And this one to open the SIM card. This is where the SIM card is. Alright, here's my phone. Here's my iPhone 12 mini. So small. To compare it with my Samsung S10E, here, that's the difference. So very small. Yeah? It's quite small here. You put it. It's beautiful though. I like this green color. So beautiful. So nice. Hello? Yes. Hello? Yeah, I could feel the difference. It's the smallest smartphone ever. Yeah, and you have that case. I'm gonna put the case now. I like it because it has a stand right here. Yep, has this stand, so it could go this way. Yep, or this way. Yeah, so it's good for photos. I'm excited. So now I have to get my SIM card from this one. It's a dual SIM card, so I guess that's the difference. I won't have the dual SIM card now. It's turning on, first time. How exciting! So there you go, that's the iPhone 12 mini unboxing with a comparison with my Samsung S10E. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thanks for watching!